BOGO crispy chicken sandwiches. Look at the size of the chicken on that brocci roll. I gotta get one of these. Oh snap. Look at the wrinkle on that bun. Nice touch. I can't wait. What the pants is this? Forget this. We're making a chicken sandwich. Oh wait, I'm gonna need that. You're gonna need 1 breast of chicken. The floss method is most effective for this recipe. So I'm gonna get a piece just long enough to slice through the chicken. Perfect.
Hey Karen.
Thanks.
I'm not the best at seasoning, but I'll just use some of these, whatever this is, and some of this. This looks interesting. And some celery salt.
Celery salt, Dovo Vovo, some of this stuff. I'm not really sure what this is, but it smells like something, so I'll just use it. I haven't used bay leaves before, so I'll just use one. Whoa, way too close. Throw this in the auto slicer. Got something that looks like this. Go ahead and rack them up, crispalize them. Hey Karen, thanks. Prep your flavored water, lettuce, tomato, potato, sandwich, pickle, mustardo, jalapeno, dash of cayenne pepper. I call it a chicken sandwich. Taste test. Wow. You can really taste the flavor. These jalapenos. Pretty good.